Hey there, Sales Funnel Nerd here. Welcome to day 20. Wow, we are a third of the way through the course. How does it feel? Amazing or what? Congratulations. Let's jump right into today. We're getting into part 2 of creating information products. So the second method that I want to show you here is, I call it the 5x5 method. I'm not sure if that's even what it's called, but I learned it from Frank Kern, and it is super simple, and it actually works really, really good. So I think you're going to dig this one. The easiest way to describe it is we want to take a piece of paper, a normal piece of paper. We want to turn it sideways, so it's kind of like a landscape, kind of like how this slide is, right? Kind of widescreen. And on one side, we want to write down where the starting point is. Like, they don't have the result that they want. So that's kind of the starting point on the left side. And then on the right-hand side of the paper, we want to write the result that they want. And then in between, we want to put about 5 steps needed in between. So the 5 steps that they need to do to go from no result to the result that they want. I know it sounds a little weird, but here let's use pictures just so it's even clear. So if we take a look, so we're going to create our raw outline. We've got our pen and paper. We turn it sideways. So let's say that I was going to do a product showing someone how to create a website. So on the one side, I've got no website, and on the other side, they've got an up and running, fully functional website. And then I just put in 4 or 5 steps in between for everything that they need to do. Each one of those steps, put what's required to get them from no website to a website, and then I just kind of fill in the rest. So just to give you a working example, I'll show you what I mean here. So let's say for a product that I did here, it was how to create videos super fast, super easy, and get them online. All right, so when I did my outline, it's the starting result is no video. And then on the other side, what we want is a completed video done, uploaded to YouTube. So to come up with the steps in between was they need to plan a video, they need to record a video, they need to edit a video, and they need to upload a video. So with each one of those steps, I come up with about 4 or 5 sub-steps, and boom, before you know it, you've got a full-blown product. So if we take a look here, you can see once I had it written out on the paper, I transferred it to another piece of paper and then just started writing it out here. So if you see, my writing is a little bit hard to read, but hopefully this is big enough and zoomed in enough that you can see this. But there's my 4 steps: plan out a video, record a video, edit the video, and upload it. So under planning, well, we need to figure out what type of video that we're going to do. Is it a VSL, an explainer video, some kind of module video? Second thing is to create a raw outline of the video. Third thing is to turn that raw outline into some slides like this so we can record our video. The next thing is to use a mixture, not just words. We want to throw in pictures and a nice healthy mixture of words and pictures, because otherwise if it's just text, people kind of tend to tune out and not really and get as much out of the video. And the last step for the planning phase is to do a test run. Let's hear our own voice. Let's make sure that this thing's smooth, that we can actually record this video and go. And then there we go. That's all the steps for part 1 there, for the planning phase. And then you just go through and do that for the rest of the phases: editing, recording, and uploading, right? So super simple method. I know it sounds like it might be just a little bit too easy, but that's kind of the point, is that you just want to make this simple. You go through, you talk about each one of these steps for about, say, 2 minutes a piece here, and then the next thing you know, you've got yourself a 40, 50, even 60-minute course that you've made it here, an information product. So it's a great method. This is one that I use. So if you didn't do the other method before, or you should have done the other method before in yesterday's video, go ahead and try out using the 5x5 method here and see which one you like better. And I will include a sample from what you see here. I might even just have this picture underneath the video so you can kind of reference it as well. But go ahead and plan out your own information product using this Frank Kern 5x5 method. And I will see you in the next video.